On the surface, macros may seem like just reusable pieces of code, not very different from global functions. But in reality, they're much more than that. The critical difference is this. Macros are not part of your app. Instead, they run during compilation and operate on the app's code itself. They can validate expressions such as string literals or replace the code you've written with an expanded version. This reduces the amount of boilerplate because the changes occur on the fly and don't affect your original code base. Swift 5.9 ships two flavors of macros, attached and freestanding. Attached macros look similarly to property wrappers, and roughly speaking, they do a similar thing. They attach additional behavior to some symbol without you writing extra code. The important thing to know is that attached macros require some context in which they work. Also, there's a number of declarations that cannot be generated by a macro. A few examples are import statements, type extensions, and operators. Freestanding macros give up the context available to attached ones, but in return, they provide more opportunities for use. That's because freestanding macros can expand into pretty much any code. They can even substitute parameters dynamically. The example given in the proposal shows how different variants of numeric types can be generated with a single macro. Note that the attributes specified on the macro, such as available here, get transferred to the resultant declarations automatically.